Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications of Scrabble Go. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Scrabble Go and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then select Notifications option. To turn off notifications of Scrabble Go, disable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn off notifications of Scrabble Go. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.